Привет! Как дела? Спасибо, хорошо. And today we learn how to respond to thank you in Russian. The first way is to say пожалуйста. Пожалуйста. You might know this word because it means please, like give me please, дай мне пожалуйста. But also it can mean you're welcome. Be careful with this because пожалуйста is quite a strong response and it means that you really did something for the person, that they must be grateful. If you say пожалуйста to something not serious, it sounds a little awkward. Like my American husband always answers пожалуйста when I say спасибо, and I'm like, kind of weird. So better to use the next one. Не за что. Here, pronunciation is important. Не за что. First of all, this че sounds like sh, right? Sh, что. And the vowel reduction. So the last o is not stressed. This не drags the entire word to it. Не за что. Не за что. You see, only the first syllable is strong. Не за что. Не за что. And it means kinda nothing to thank me for. Even if there is, but in everyday life, this is the most common way. Like somebody's given something to you, you say, thank you. Oh, не за что. Да, спасибо. Не за что. I guess in English it would say, no problem, don't mention it. It's okay, something like that. This is one of the most common responses to спасибо in Russian. Спасибо, не за что. That was it for today. Спасибо. And next time we continue learning Russian phrases, so stay tuned. Press like under this video, please. It really helps me to promote my videos. And don't forget that now the enrollment is open for my premium Russian language courses. You will find the link under this video. Все, спасибо. Пока-пока.